Hello everybody, and welcome to another epic adventure with me today. Today we're at my park. There's the ducks and stuff. Well, I might take you guys down here. This is where I usually go to. This is where I usually get to and do the relaxing. Just down here. So we can find Quacky and this is what I like to do. I like to just go investigating. This is called Raven Street Reserve. This is Downfall Creek. I'll introduce you to the ducks if they're around. Here they are. Quacky! Quacky! Hello, Quackzilla. That is Quacky and Quackzilla. Hello, Quacky! As you can see, he knows me. Hello, you two. What you doing? You're not in the doghouse today. Oh, Quackzilla's coming up. Such a beautiful area. You're looking this way. It's on that way. Alrighty guys, let's see if I can go live here. I don't know if I can yet.